expect fair skies on Sunday and Monday, and on Tuesday, expect a chance of rain.
Last night at this time, it had just become a tropical storm. Tonight, it's nothing. Low pressure in northern Canada. It has really taken a hike. I'm Dave Schwartz. Good to see you. This is your tropical update at 10 minutes before the hour, every hour during hurricane season. We take a look back a week when the hurricane was getting closer to the United States. You can see it now coming into the picture. On September 14th, it was a major hurricane, weakened at that point, and then made the turn north-northwestward toward the North Carolina coast. Warnings were issued, people evacuated. It came in yesterday, Thursday at 1 p.m., was declassified over Pennsylvania, and then took right off up into Canada, and that's where it is right now. Now, it originated as a tropical disturbance off of the coast of Africa, just like this one, just like that one. Actually, there's an area of low pressure in association with this area. We'll be keeping an eye on that. A couple of other disturbances over the Atlantic Ocean that we will also get a look at. Once again, it's these little tropical waves that come off of Africa that don't look like anything. Take a look at this spotlighted area that we just had a look at close to the African continent, and you got to say, well, is this going to become a major hurricane that disrupts the lives of millions of people in the United States? Well, the answer was yes. It was a tropical wave, then it organized. There you see it. A tropical storm forms. There's your eye. It's a Category 2 hurricane, then a Category 5 hurricane before it weakened. So yes, these monsters begin as little nothings. Here's the track of it. The last couple of days, we plotted it here on this latitude-longitude map, so you could see it right into North Carolina, weakened, the flooding, the power outages, and now it's gone. Well, fortunately, there's no organized weather out over the Atlantic Ocean yet, at least any significant organized weather. But there is weak low pressure. We just looked at that off the coast of Africa. Another area of low pressure right here, and a tropical wave that's down here between the Bahamas and into the Caribbean. But I'll tell you, out here, the atmosphere is getting more hostile. Notice the upper level winds screaming in from the north, all the way down toward low pressure here, and we've got westerlies over the Caribbean. That's a situation that's unfavorable for development. So if you're still kind of punchy, given that hurricane that came on shore and all the mess it caused, well, I'll tell you, if you have plans to go to the beach, you are fine this weekend, my friend. East Coast, even the Gulf Coast. Lots of clouds here right now, no organized weather, but we'll have to monitor the western Gulf of Mexico and see if anything does develop. There is a ridge of high pressure that sits out here. Off the coast of Mexico, there's obviously some organized weather, and that's a tropical storm, Marty. Moving west-northwest, away from Cabo, also away from Mexico, forecast to be a hurricane in about 24 to 36 hours. There it goes. Further out toward Hawaii, the weather looks great. And that, my friend, is your tropical update. We'll head back to the States, see what that weekend looks like next.
We build it to withstand earthquakes, the elements, anything you can imagine.
At Toyota, we build to withstand the things you can't imagine.
The Tundra was given the highest overall safety rating for full-size pickups by the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. The Toyota Tundra, better from the ground up.
You'd never hear this from John, but he owns the best car repair shop in town. He's got a well-deserved reputation for getting it right the first time. He listens to his customers. He uses top-quality Napa parts, and he backs up his work every time. Now, as much as we'd like to take credit for it, a shop like John's isn't this good because there's a Napa sign out front. Fact is, there's a Napa sign out front because John's shop is this good.
Visit the Napa Auto Care Center or Collision Center nearest you.